Thanks for joining me today. I'm going to be showing you the addition of a new flowing text box in the sales order entry and also in the entry of quotes. What you're looking at right here in the screen is you're looking at the previous style of the order entry screen, which was very similar on the quote screen, in where an inventory item would have a single detail line plus one extended detail line. If you entered a miscellaneous item, you would only have a single line of entry, and the same thing is true if you entered a text type of entry. You would have a single line of entry. That is now being changed. I'm going to close that, and this is the screen that you will now see on Build 22 Visual Grasp 4.0. And if I call up one of my sales order entry lines, you'll notice right away that the two lines are together in one data entry object. And in fact, if I were to enter any more detail in here and press enter, you'll notice I get a scroll bar on my right hand side. And this is now the way that you can enter data into the system like that. So that is true for inventory type lines like this. It's also true if I was going to do a new line type. If I want to do a miscellaneous line, which some of you may be using, once again I'm just hitting the enter key to create a new line code here. And now here's the key. If you're used to using the enter key to move from this field to the next field, pressing enter now only adds carriage returns, which of course is going to be the one thing that you'll have to change your behavior, because now if I want to move to the next field, I either have to use my mouse, or if you want to use your keyboard, you need to use the Windows standard, which is the tab key, which will move you to the next field. The addition of the trace reference field is brand new as well in Build 22, and it is basically designed to hold any particular type of information that you want, and then you can elect to have that printed on your order confirmation and or on your sales invoice. It was added specifically for a client who needs to track certification numbers that go with the items that they deliver to a client. So you can either use it any way you want, or you can just ignore it entirely by moving to the next field here. And now I'm just going to go and complete this entry here. So you'll notice that my line is still a flowing text box again. So now the third type of line I might want to use is going to be a text line. And remember, your three types are inventory, miscellaneous, and text, and they all now use this flowing text box. So as per John's instructions, shipped yesterday by UPS, call when you receive. Okay. Basically, these flowing text lines will be picked up automatically on your documents that you've designed, and there might be the need to make a slight change to your design. I think in most people's cases that's not going to even be required. But if you once you use this, if you print an invoice or an order confirmation and find that you need to modify your design slightly, that's no big deal. You would log in as the admin user and make those changes. And if you're stuck, of course, you can contact us. If you have any other questions about this, you can contact us at support@grasp.ca. Thanks for joining me.